Hello. I got an unboxing for you. This is basically one of two videos because the second video will be actually demonstrating this. This is a laminator from a company called JZBRAIN, and it is $64.99 on Amazon right now. Prime shipping, of course. It is JZBRAIN 13-inch thermal laminator machine for A3, A4, A6 high-speed laminating machine with cutter and corner rounder for home, office, school teachers. Two-roller system with jam-free function, gray. You can also get it in a black color as well. I got the gray one. So I've always wanted one of these. So, you know, when I get an offer to review something I want, hey. But yeah, the box kind of got a little beat up in shipping, but it's packaged well inside here. It does come with pouches. This is a pouch style laminator. We have these here. I'm not sure how many it comes with. It's a 4-in-1 machine. 250 millimeters of paper per minute. 3 to 5 minute heat up time. It comes with, let's see here real quick. As you can see, it can do really big. I mean, these are really big pouches here. Now, these large ones, we have 1, 2, 3, it looks like. There's more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then we have, other ones as well. Different size ones. These are for like photos. As you can see, it's a little pouch. If I can, maybe. If I can get it open, I don't know. I'll figure it out later. But we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Looks like 5 of each, right? 8 by 10 it looks like. Same thing. And there's another one. So they do give you a nice assortment to test it out, to try it. And then you'll have to order more. It's pretty much like anything. Like I got a vacuum sealer, you know, they give you a few nice, samples with it and stuff like that. And you end up ordering more. Which, from what I found, it's inexpensive. I mean, if you look around, I found rolls and rolls of my laminator or my vacuum bags. I don't see any instructions. Maybe they'll be somewhere else. But as you can see, it's packaged fairly well. Yeah, I don't see any instructions. Huh. How about that? Let's figure that out, I guess. But here it is here. This is the laminator. We have our little cutter on the back here to unlock it. This is a cutting blade like so. It's kind of like the old style paper cutters. Power switch on that side, I just found. We've got a ready and a power indicator. We've got measurements here as well for you, so you know. It's our guide bar. Looks like just a thumb screw, so you can adjust it. We have cold and hot. We have on and off. We have our power cord, of course. ABS, I'm not sure what that means. Okay, but here's the lock and unlock switch. This is for the cutter, actually. And we have a corner rounder, is what they call this. You put your paper in and you squeeze it, and it makes the corners of your laminated sheets round, so they're not, pointy and stuff like that, which is great for kids, and you don't want them to get hurt. So just go in again. That way. Ha. Store's right in there. We've got some rubber feet here for you. Oh no, it seems fairly good. It seems fairly nice, but I don't know where I'm going to get the instructions from here. 4 types of 20. Okay, yeah, 4 types of 20 high quality heat activated adhesive sheets, 5 for each type. Well, I knew that. I guess I just could have read that and told you. But whatever, you saw them anyway. It's These are in inches instead of metric, English, whatever you want to call it. But anyway, we have our little sharp blade going there. Corner rounder. JZBRAIN, $64.99 laminator. I'm gonna have to contact them real quick to see about getting the instructions. That would be nice to have here because I don't see them anywhere. They weren't in there or anywhere else. But it should be fairly easy to use, and I'm sure I can find them fairly quickly online as well, right? But laminate no worries. Expertly engineered to prevent blistering, curling, and crinkling thanks to its built-in advanced bubble heating system, thermal conductivity pipe, and motor. Noiseless double roller design. I guess that's about it, really. I mean, I have nothing more to say here until I give you your second video. A3 cold hot. There's a cutter, hot and cold, which is nice. You can one thing nice about this is you can put like a bunch of cards or a bunch of pictures in a large one, and then you can just cut them to size because they're fully laminated, and you don't have to worry about trying to use scissors or something like that. Yeah, it comes with A3, A4, A5, and A6 sizes. So there you go. Now we know. 6 pounds. About that, which is pretty good. I mean, it's not bad. You could take it with you, I'm sure. It's 17.1 by 5.9 by 3.2, and it feels very solidly made. Really curious. I want to get into this here. On Amazon, it does have 5-star rating and 7 reviews, but it is 5-star. 13 inches for the paper cutter. You can use Scotch laminating pouches. You can use pretty much anything, which is nice. You're not stuck with one brand, as it were, of the pouches. But that's it there. JZBRAIN thermal laminator, 4-in-1, photo quality, up to A3 size, 2-roller technology, which supposedly is much better. But that's it. Look for another video. I will give you a demo of it. Thanks.